That's cool. Hey! Welcome back to Iron Triangle Garage. Today, I'm going to pull dents out with glue. This little plastic jobby. And this. Stick around. We're going to have some fun, see if this actually works. Or if I have to go back to, old school methods that I do know how to do. Because I've never done this before. I don't know if this is going to work or not. So let's try it. Let's see what happens. We're going to try to use this glue dent pulling thing that seems to be, I don't know if it's all the rage or if it's like old fodder that I don't know nothing about, but it seems weird and I don't know. So let's give it a whirl.
Wait, can you take that off?
I don't know. We're going to find out. I hope so. That doesn't seem right.
What?
It's just like the glue's not really. I think we're doing this again. I don't think it's yeah. We'll see. I don't know if it's hot enough yet.
So we're gonna do it later?
Well, I mean, it's pulling on it. Let's get El Puller magician thing, magical puller dude here.
I'm gonna come down and say hi.
It's pulling it. Oh, it didn't work.
Oh man.
Dang it. All right, maybe it wasn't hot enough. Let's get it hotter. I think I need it. I don't know what I'm doing. This is all new to me.
What's all new?
This using this glue gun thing.
Ah! Why you got a hammer?
So the tap on the metal to. Let's see. I guess that's better.
What?
I don't know if I should put it right on the metal like this. Okay, let's go like that.
I think that's maybe I got it there.
Try it again. It says wait 5 minutes for good adhesion, so I guess maybe we do that.
I think we should wait 5 minutes. Let's see if this works. That's better in the neighborhood, I think. It's cool being mic'd up.
Is it?
Yep. Oh my god, what'd you just do? Why'd you just do that?
Well, it came off.
You hammered it off.
No, I didn't.
You see it?
No, it popped off, so I was putting pressure on it.
There's a bunch of glue on.
I know, I think we gotta do more glue. No, dude.
Huh?
Yes. No! All my little tabs fell
This
inside
is
the truck.
That's what came off the puller. Cindy, try to pull the sand out with.
Let's try this little dude right here.
And if you fail again, I want all your little pieces.
Right there, we're gonna try that one. I want this to work because you know what? I don't want to
Huh?
zip zap welding.
Oh, cool! I got 2 different little types. Which is this one?
Yeah, I mean some of it came out. It's a little bit better.
But barely anything,
Yeah, not
buddy.
much, but a little bit. I mean something and something.
No, like inside.
What'd she say?
Huh?
What'd she say?
She said, I hope you don't got a hot mic.
You do.
Really? Even when I go inside,
yeah,
close the door, they can hear me?
It's still recording, yeah.
So they can hear me even though I'm not in the same place?
Yes, it's a microphone.
I thought microphones just make stuff louder.
They do.
And it's also a hot mic?
It's recording, yeah.
So wherever I go, they can hear me even if I'm in a whole other room?
Yeah.
Oh. So, yeah, I do got a hot mic.
Why would Mom say something she wasn't supposed to say?
Now there's a lot of talking inside. I hope you don't feel that. I hope you don't feel too bad as the last one. But I have it.
Man, this is a bummer.
Can I try that? Ooh.
Yeah, 0 stick. Supposed to stick to paint, right? So it can not.
Oh, never mind.
In theory, it's paintless dent fixing. But the black was supposed to be the strong.
Why'd you just spray out all the black?
I'm trying the other color. Listen, the $29 or whatever Amazon, no, negative. This isn't it.
I don't think you should ever buy this.
No, don't buy this. This is not doing it. I'm wasting time.
Let me have a sip. I know you're doing. Don't pop, don't pop, don't pop.
Yep, there it goes.
Is this the last one you're gonna do, or are you gonna keep trying?
I keep trying, then that's just the definition of insanity. I don't have a tack cloth.
What's tack cloth?
It's like a waxy cloth that you can wipe dust off with.
I'm just gonna sit on a box. Is that okay?
It's fine.
If I sit on this?
I think the color of the truck kind of made it look.
I feel pretty small.
Okay.
This box is tiny.
This box is tiny.
I'm gonna go get a bigger box.
Oh.
This box is too tiny.
Too tiny.
Huh?
Too tiny.
Yeah.
Is that your rapper name?
Huh?
Is that your rapper name?
What do you mean?
Too tiny?
What's the rapper name?
He doesn't know about rap.
Here's the perfect box.
From the Bay Area, California, doesn't know about rap. E40.
Over Dad, behind him.
Tupac went to Tamalpais High School.
Who's Calpie's ice cream?
Calpie Ice Cream.
Who's Calpie ice cream?
Tamalpais High School.
What's Calpie's ice cream?
Not ice cream. You need your ice cream.
No, I thought you said ice
I
cream.
should have named you ice cream.
Huh?
So I should have named you ice cream. Oh, who thought of this system? Quick dollar maker off a sucker like me.
What do you mean dollar maker?
I got my money, didn't I?
Yeah?
Well, maybe.
You have a bunch. I don't think so.
Yep.
Hold on and
Sit. Done. Trash. You're trash. Garbage. Don't buy it. Negative reviews. In fact, I don't even know why I'm messing with it. I'm just gonna fucking throw it all away. Just throw it all away. Trash. You trash. You are trash. Goodbye. Recycling bin. Yep. Jerk. Sorry to waste your time.
It's very relaxing today. Well, the traveling itself
worthless pile of. So as you can see, this did nothing. Nothing. So I gave it to my son. He can play with it, do whatever he wants with it. I don't care. Maybe I did it wrong. Tell me. I think the glue gun doesn't get hot enough to really liquefy the glue to get a good bond. Because maybe I should get my industrial gun out and do it that way. I don't know. I lost patience. I don't want to do it that way anymore. I'm going to do it the way I know how. I got my little studs, my slide hammer. That's how I'm going to do it. So next time we'll do that. So please subscribe. Check out this video over here. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time.